Hello, SJ here. I am live from the West End Clinic. So I wanted to just jump on and let you all know that we now have a clinic running in the West End of Glasgow every Thursday, primarily mornings up until about 3 o'clock. But if the demand's there, we can stay later as well. So if you're looking, the type of things that we can do in the West End, pretty much most of our services we can do from the West End Clinic. So that includes the shockwave machine here, we have laser therapy here, we can do soft tissue therapy, your full podiatry, MSK assessments can all be done within the West End. Those of you who are maybe already members with us can also come for your self-care membership if it suits you, if you want a wee change of scenery. We're within the Western Tennis Club, which is just on Hyndland Road in the West End of Glasgow. You can get to us by train. Hyndland train station is just a 5-minute walk away. And if you're driving, there is on-street pay and display parking as well, so it's actually really easy. I think the West End sometimes think, oh, parking can be difficult. Actually, there's loads of parking around pay and display because we're just that wee bit further away from Byres Road. We're at the top end of Hyndland Road, closer to the Great Western end of Hyndland Road, really pretty much right next to One Devonshire Gardens. So if you know the West End, we are in the Western Tennis Club, and this is us in the treatment room at the moment. So I'll maybe pick this up and show you around a little bit. I'm on the computer, I don't have my fancy cameras. So it's small, but does everything that we need. So essentially, this is the room here. This is what it looks like. We have, I'm sure you can see over here, we've got the shockwave machine, and we also have the laser therapy machine here as well. Full soft tissue work can be done here as well. Full podiatry, everything that we can do. The only things that we can't do from the West End is our Run 3D or 3D biomechanics assessments. Pretty much everything else, whether you need nail surgery, verruca treatments, or anything like that, can all be done from the West End Clinic. So we're in the treatment room, that's what it's called, and we share this room with Faith, who's an osteopath that works out of this room, and also Jen, who's a massage therapist, and also Denise, who's an acupuncturist. So let me just show you what it looks like out here. There's a little waiting area here, and then this is the room. So you're basically coming through these doors here, coming in, and then the room is just here. So really handy, really easy. Yeah, so how to book, what to book, where do you go? So actually with this live video, I've put a link below it. Now, if you're watching this on Twitter, that won't be there. But if you go to the rehabhub.co.uk, if you're on your desktop, right-hand side, you'll see a big button that says book appointment. That's where you would go. If you're on a mobile device, actually with a mobile device, you scroll down. So when you go onto our website, so I'll show you, it's just literally the rehabhub.co.uk. And then from there, you'll see there's on the left, the right-hand side, there's 3 wee lines. You click on the 3 little lines, and that gives you a series of selections. Scroll to the bottom of those selections, and you will see a big kind of bluish, greenish book clinic appointment. You book, you click that, and essentially in there, it will then give you your location choices. So you can see here, we've got the Rehab Hub Glasgow South Side, and then we've got the Western Health and Racquets Club Glasgow West End, and it's got the full address, postcode, and everything there. All you simply do to book is you hit select, and then it gives you the full list of all of the clinical things that we can do there. So from blood tests, that's a new service that we've introduced. So if we're needing to do different blood tests, if you click on that, it will give you all the different options. We have massage therapy if you're needing your massage therapy, physical therapy if you're needing lower limb or a review. So some of you that are maybe seeing myself or Scott over in the south side might want to come to the West End. If you're there, if you have any questions, please just fire away. I can see there's quite a few of you watching. Podiatry, full podiatry clinic here. So I've just finished with a patient there who had some corns. So whatever you're needing podiatry-wise, MSK as well. As I said, the only thing we can't do from here is a full 3D biomechanics assessment. So that is only over in the south side. Just if you've been into the south side, we have a massive big clinic there, all set up with a big gate lab. It would be impossible to do that here. It's just too small. It just wouldn't work. So everything else is there. Self-care memberships as well. So for those of you who are members, if you're a member, you'll know what that is. If you click the self-care membership, you will see you can book all of your self-care things from here as well. At the moment, I have restricted my diary to just a Thursday morning between 10 and 2, just to basically just build some more awareness and get more clients over this side of the city. And the plan would be hopefully to do a full day. Now, even though there might not be availability, see if you give us a wee call or a text, just double check, because I'm here anyway on a Thursday working. So even if there isn't availability advertised on the online calendar, working, that doesn't mean to say that I can't fit you in. So just give us a little call. See if I don't answer the phone right away. Leave a message or text, because I might be with a patient, and I will get right back to you. A text is sometimes a lot easier to get back to, because I can quickly text you back to saying, yep, I can book you in, come on down. Whereas a voicemail, I have to listen to that, then kind of phone you back, and it just takes that wee bit longer. So if you're ever want to get a hold of me quickly, pop us a wee text. That's always it's just easier to get back to, especially if you're just between patients. But don't just, I suppose the point of that is, don't just think, oh, there isn't an appointment there, won't be able to fit me in. Even kind of Thursday, kind of into mid-evening, it's quite handy. This is right next to where I live, so I'm fairly flexible. It just depends on the room availability. Sometimes Jen's got some massage clients booked in, but just reach out, ask. If you don't ask, you don't get. But that's it. Hopefully, I'll see some of you over here at the West End on a Thursday, and we can get it busy. The idea is, as I said, to get a full clinic day over here. At the minute, the diary is open between 10 and 2, but I'm hoping that we'll be able to expand that into a full day. So I'll see you then. If you have any questions about this, so even if you're watching this on replay, just fire away some questions, just pop over, get yourself booked in, and hopefully I'll get to see you soon over in our new wee clinic over in the West End. Yay!